grind it first before we use it. So we buy the whole bean. So we buy the beans from Jose's Gourmet Coffee, and then we grind it. So we make the coffee, and then we, what's most important, I didn't think it made a difference, but it does, is using your favorite mug. I mean, it makes a big difference. So this is awesome. This is my mug, and use it every morning. So use that mug. So I can fill it up with coffee, and then add 2 tablespoons of flaxseed. 2 tablespoons. Do that, and then add cinnamon, ground cinnamon. Once you do that, the final touch is to add coconut milk. Instead of whole milk, we use coconut milk. It makes a big difference. We use that. And it really kicks it up. So again, we use the best coffee. We use whole beans. We grind them. It makes the coffee much better when you grind. When you buy the beans and then grind it, so it's much more fresh. So we use that. And then we add the flaxseed. The ground cinnamon. And then again, the coconut milk. Makes a big difference. Anyway, that's how we make a great cup of coffee. It's simply amazing. So give it a try, and let me know what you think in the comments, or let me know how you make your coffee in the morning. I'm interested to find out. And for now, I'm just going to enjoy my coffee in my favorite mug. And that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed the video. Again, comment how you make your coffee in the morning. And I'm always looking for new ideas. Take care for now, and we'll see you on the next one. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.